Hello guys, welcome to Teardown. In this video, I'll be tearing things down. So now we forgot to get home. I already played this game, I haven't completed it. I played like 4 or 5 levels. Not much really, but I don't remember them because it was like 2 years ago. So maybe something changed from that time. Okay, so I've got extinguishers, spray cans, and most importantly, my sledgehammer. Now we've got the first quest. Gas bill just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Are you getting any requests? At this point, we pretty much have to accept anything. Be creative. Hugs, Mom. Okay. Well, now I've got a request. Oh, it's from my mom. This just came in. Sounds kind of fishy, but we need the money. You up for it? Good evening. My name is Gordon Wu, General Manager at the Evertides Mall. I have a slight problem with an old building that's blocking our plans for a new wing, and I need someone to knock it over. I need it gone by tomorrow, and I've even been willing to pay more than the standard rate for some extra discretion. Quick execution and comfortable working hours. Would you be able to take care of it? Of course, bro! I'll do it for free. One, two, three, four, five, six. Alright then. Just don't forget the parts that are indestructible without this. What? Where's the... Am I paranoid? Okay. I'm alive! Okay, just... Yo! I'm just perfectly aligned this. I think I need to save this. I won't put out the fire. What happens if I don't? Huh? Boom. Boom. One last tank. Alright. Damn. It hurts. This may work. Use it as a ramp. Nice. Bye bye. Four minutes? I thought it was like 2 times longer. Investigation. What a morning. Shouldn't have taken that job. I knew something wasn't right. That building was under cultural heritage protection and the demolition is now part of a criminal investigation. Miss Sturdyman at the police just sent me this photo. They must have caught you on traffic camera heading towards the mall. The very last thing we need right now is an investigation. I tried sweet talking her and she thought she could get the case dropped, but asked for a favor in return. I don't know what she wants, but just do it. She'll email you directly. I mean, it's alright. Just so you know, I don't usually do this, but I'm stuck on a case and I feel like I should try something new. I've been investigating Lawrence Lee Jr. over tax evasion for months now, but he has so many friends in town that I can't get a warrant. How about you use your skills to borrow the computers over at Lee Chemicals so that I can finally access his customer registry and sort this mess out? If you do this for me, I'll make sure your little brother will be forgotten. Hell yeah! Okay, so this is it. No problem. I'm the guy. Okay, so one's here, and one's here. Okay, so I need to make a route for myself. Alright. Fire alarm, large fires will trigger the alarm. Only this? The computers aren't like... Ah! Easy. Up here. So that's the problem. I can get through the window, I think. Wait, let me just... Just jump it. I know you can. Okay. Do it! Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Now the roof. Parkour. Okay, so here I can get... Maybe through the roof? Well, hello. No fire, no problem. Oh, I can steal. Damn. That's nice. Can I steal this? Hell yeah. Oh, I've got so much money now. I can turn off the television. Can I steal this? Can I steal something from here? Alright, so can I open the door from this side? No, I can't. And I can't get to the window. How do I leave? Maybe here? Maybe here I can escape the window. Easy. Now through these pipes to here. Okay, so now I know... Oh my god, I have to do this whole part again. Yo, how far does bro jump? Okay. It's in this building. So let me just get in through the roof. Okay, so it's here. Is there a window in there? No. Only this. Okay. It's right beneath me here. Nice. I could have just used the car, the pickup truck, to ram into the door. I didn't have to do all that parkour bit. Nice. There has been a break-in at Lee Chemicals. The perpetrator caused property damage and managed to get away with electronic equipment. CEO Lawrence Lee Jr. says they will upgrade security and should be up and running again soon. Okay. The customer registry indicates that Lee has worked almost exclusively with a single client recently. The client is only referred to as BT and no further details. So I really have to bother you with one more favor. Head back to Lee Chemicals and fetch their employee login devices. I should be able to cross-reference their log files with the delivery schedule to figure out why they are moving product and what BT means. I heard they installed a new security system. Be careful. I'm on it. Okay. Wired alarm boxes. So now I have to make an escape route. Nice. Okay, let me just check everything now. So I will start from here, then go through the pipe over here, jump down, go up these pipes, Jump down here, go up here, go through this bridge in there. But how do I get in here? First this. Oh, it's open. And I have explosives. So there's the first one. Now I need to get here. Through here. Wait, let me... That scared the shit out of me. Oh yeah, it's here. I'm gonna just make the stairs out of the rubble. Maybe this can be used as stairs. Okay. Okay, I can go through here. Now I need to do... Oh, let's save it. Now I need to go down there. Boom. Okay, now it's in there. So I just destroy this door. Go in, take this. Then... Oh, well. Go here. Boom, boom, boom. Jump down here. I go up there. And I take it. I jump out of the window and go there. Should be easy. How much time do I have? So I don't know how long the alarm takes. Lock in. Quick save. First try. Easy. Amateur. Maybe I get new things. Unusual has been delivered. Oh. What is it? Explosives? I can destroy metal now. Yo! That's crazy. So, hello guys, quick note. This video was supposed to have 4 missions in it, but I only managed to fit 3 in the time that I have, because I'm still not verified and I can make videos only up to 15 minutes. So the 4th one will be in the next teardown video. I will see you in there tomorrow, and see you in the next one.